Let's check in with KTK meteorologist Andrew Salmon. Andrew, I want the storm to go away. What's the timeline coming? Because I don't want no rain, but tell me if there's going to be some severe weather coming up.
Yeah, we do have a chance of a few strong to severe thunderstorms, especially in areas north of Interstate 20. First map we're looking at here is the potential for a significant hail, which is defined as hail at least 2 inches in diameter, which is about the size of a hen egg or twice the size of a quarter, and anything bigger than that. We could see the hail larger than tennis balls out there in some of the strongest storms, but it all depends on where they exactly develop. The bulk of the storms will develop to our north and west, but there is a chance that a few storms also develop here from northern Van Zandt County through central Wood County all the way into parts of northwest Cass County as well. Any area highlighted in pink or purple here has the greatest chance of seeing that significant hail. So if you have a garage or something like that, you might want to bring your cars inside. The main time frame for this significant hail is between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m., but there will be a lingering hail threat through the overnight hours, although that hail and any storms overnight tonight will be a bit smaller, probably up to about the size of a ping pong ball or so, which is still can do some damage, of course, as we've seen this past or last month. But in terms of the significant hail, 2 inches in diameter, it's in the pink area where we have that greatest likelihood. Now, in terms of the probability of seeing a tornado, the greatest chances are to our north, where there's going to be a little bit better upper level support and a little bit better lower level wind shear. But still, a tornado cannot be entirely ruled out here in East Texas, especially again north of Interstate 20. If we can get those supercells developing, like I mentioned about the large hail, if those same supercells could also produce a tornado or two, especially along and north of Interstate 30. So that's something we'll also be watching for. Greatest chance for a tornado again is during the late afternoon today through the early evening. Overnight tonight there will be a small tornado threat, but it won't be as high as the storms in the afternoon. Taking the latest look at live Viper radar, storms kind of just exploded here over parts of Oklahoma. You can see we go from nothing at 10:40 and now at nearly 11:30 we are seeing 3 severe thunderstorm warnings, but of course all those storms are well off to our north and west, so these aren't really the storms we'll be tracking, but it just goes to show how quickly these storms could develop, and we'll be watching that, especially from the Claiborne area all the way to Dallas and towards Sulphur Springs is the area we'll be watching for potential rapid development here of some thunderstorms, and we can see that here with Futurecast. By 2 p.m. we're still mostly dry, but after that we'll see the showers, thunderstorms first fire up again in the vicinity of the Metroplex, and then we'll see if some of these storms could not only develop also here in East Texas, but they may also move into parts of East Texas as well during the course of the evening hours. And again, any of these isolated cells can't rule out large hail and a tornado or two. And then as we head through the overnight hours, we are going to see a broken line of showers and thunderstorms, probably a little bit better coverage than what Futurecast is showing. But by 5 a.m. there may be some showers and thunderstorms, still producing some gusty winds. But like I said, once we get through the overnight hours, the severe weather threat is going to get lower and lower through the overnight time frame. But we'll continue to see some showers and storms through the day on Friday. But to recap the forecast for today, we'll see afternoon showers and thunderstorms mainly north of I-20. Otherwise, it's warm and breezy with highs in the low 80s and winds gusting over 30 miles per hour outside of any thunderstorms. For tonight, we'll drop to the mid-60s with numerous showers and thunderstorms. Again, rain chances increase tonight, but the severe weather threat goes down overnight, but still can't be ruled out, so make sure to stay weather aware. We'll see showers and storms through the start of the weekend with some lingering showers Sunday morning. Then we'll dry out for Monday. The first day of spring on Tuesday is actually going to feature below average temperatures despite how warm it's been here recently. And lastly, for deep East Texas, we are going to see those storm chances pretty high through the day on Friday, and that could lead to some minor flooding. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website.